Hey my friends, welcome to Joystick. In this video, I am going to show you how to install the latest version of Python on Windows 11 directly from the official Python website. And by the end, we'll even run our first Python program using IDLE or IDLE, which comes pre-installed with Python. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is to open a browser. So let's click on the Windows icon. And in the search box, we are going to type Chrome. Let's open Chrome. I am going to open a new incognito window. Let's open it. And there you go. Chrome is open. You can open any browser of your choice. In the URL bar, we are going to type python.org. This is the official website for Python and we are going to visit it. And we are on python.org. Always make sure that you download Python from here and not from any random site. Now hover over the downloads. As of today, it is showing Python 3.14.0. This is the latest version of Python available at the time of recording this video. Now, what you simply need to do is to click on this button. It says Python 3.14.0. It's asking me to select the location where it will save the Python installer. I am happy with downloading the installer in my downloads folder, so I am going to hit the save button. And you can see that the downloading has already finished. So once the installer finishes downloading, click on it to open it. You can see the installer window is open. Now, this step is super important. Before you hit install now, you need to check the box at the bottom that says add python.exe to path. This makes sure you can use Python directly from the command line. So let's check it. Now, you are going to click on install now and let it do its thing. It will take a minute or two. Alright, it took a bit of time, but the installation has finished and I am so happy to see this message that the setup was successful. Since our installation has finished, now we are going to click on close and you do the same place. Now, let's check if Python is installed successfully. So what you are going to do? You are going to click on this Windows icon and then in the search bar, you are going to type cmd to open the command prompt. Alright, we have our command prompt open. Here you are going to type python space --version and you are going to hit enter. And there you go. It shows Python 3.14.0. This is the version of Python that we just installed. Now let's run our first Python program using IDLE, which comes pre-installed with Python. Some people call it IDLE, some people call it IDLE. So what you are going to do, you are going to click on the Windows icon and in the search bar, you are going to type IDLE. There are two idle apps appearing over here. One runs an older version of Python that is also installed on my Windows 11 laptop. But since we just installed Python 3.14, hence we need to run the idle app that runs Python 3.14. So I am going to click on this idle app. And there you go, it's open. Let's write a small program to make sure everything is working. So we are going to type print within brackets, within double quotes, we'll type hello Python. And we are going to hit enter. And boom, Python prints your message right here on the screen. And if you want to save your program, you can do so right here from the idle shell. All you need to do is to click on file and then click on save as. Now you need to choose the location where you want to save your file. I am going to choose desktop and over here we are going to give the file name. Let me give the file name as first Python program. You are going to leave save as type to Python files only and then you are going to hit the save button. And there you go. This program, this piece of code has been saved in a file, in a Python file, first python program.py on my desktop. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install the latest Python on Windows 11 from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.